Hey, what's up, Digibyte holder? After a long time, Digibyte is wake up and completely starting in the moon now, my brother. I am so happy to see this. Digibyte will be increased, my friend, in upcoming time. So, but you need, my brothers, to watch this video to understand. Can really there is more chances to Digibyte will give you a profit in the upcoming days or not, my brother. I have two good news. The first good news is absolutely I already announced to Digibyte will be wake up and completely go in the moon. And the second good news is that, my brothers, the giveaway of Digibyte is coming soon now. So just in only if you want to participate, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. I do a special video for giveaway. So this time last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and if I free to get this coin, so absolutely, my friends, you know, to upcoming time they will move for now. So last 24-hour you can see the price is increased 4.29%, and this time the price is 0.06 USD dollar. So yeah, my friend, first line touch the highest point, second line touch the lowest point. But absolutely, my friend, after this fails, you can see they take a very huge jump. The arrows come, my friends, to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a very huge jump now. So I'm 100% sure, my brothers, to upcoming time or Digibyte price will be increasing if you hold, and if you hold, my friends, then absolutely they will very fastly increasing now. So go now, my friend, invest now, and remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you and take a decision, my brothers, to before you take any decision, just and only research personally. This will be very good for you, my brother. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.